Greetings, and LRPN here, and I'm back. In this update, the biggest thing is this stained glass, and you can create it just the same way you do with stained clay, except use glass instead of clay. So if I were to do this, it would make the different kinds of stained glass for the different types of dye, and it always makes exactly 8. So this is a very efficient recipe, it's a very efficient recipe to save on your dyes. And another thing that was added, and also I'm reading this off the Minecraft wiki, if you're wondering, it says that it added a splash screen now contains 32 random daily cats in reference to Random Guy 32. And the only link or anything, the only link there that it has to help you figure out what all that's out, it's Random Guy 32's name, and I click on that and it goes to a Twitter page, but it's in Swedish, so yeah, wasn't able to understand what was on it. But with this update, there are also stained glass panes. Actually, I'll show you what things look like in comparison with the clear glass. Alright, you see over there. And this, yeah, I think it should be more of a aesthetic thing for the glass being here, more than it being something for you actually to look through. So yeah, it's for, like stained glass, things that they would put on the windows of churches and stuff like that. Yeah, same kind of thing. And over there, same thing. And also there's like a glitch with the paintings. If you see that right there, it's clipping. They're like in each other for some reason. I don't remember like ever, maybe like once recently I've seen that. I'm thinking possibly, but that might just be mine playing a trick on me. But anyway, here's also the glass panes. Oh, and I shall show you how to craft them, silly me. Why not get into that in the first place? What, Pimienta, what's wrong with you? I'm Pimienta, so I'm not saying anything to you guys. I'm not saying or judging you. I'm not trying to say anything bad about you. I'm just saying, yeah, shame on me. Okay, now you would create these like the same way you would create normal glass panes, by just filling the bottom 2 rows of a crafting bench with glass. But it has to be of the same type of glass color for it to work. Say if I were to mix and match that up with different colors, it doesn't work. It needs to be the same color, or the original clear glass. Yeah, and these are very nice. Yeah, I like that they add this, though I can't really think of... Well, yeah, actually, you can do some artwork and stuff with this. Yeah, I can make the place look all nice. And this is not all. Besides, the stained glass is not the only change to glass. It's also 2 blocks thick now, and also with the iron bars, you can tell by there being 2 rows of texture there. You see the different colored blocks? That means it's 2 blocks wide. It says right here on the forum post. And they can now connect to each other, as you see here. Yeah, I put in a few different variations. And they can also connect to glass now. Before they couldn't do that. And they can connect to any glass, whether it's colored any color or not. And this is what they look like if they don't have a block on top of them. I'll show you what this looks like. Oh. Actually, yeah, if I put like some wool. Oh, that's how they look. But, oh yeah, it also takes off the top part. Well, it hides it when you put the block over it. Yeah, I like the way that looks better than without it, but it doesn't do that with glass. Well, glass panes anyway. And also another change is that it says on the wiki that you can now look through portals at ice and water, and the same thing with the others. You can, well, I can see a difference between the skyline and the ice, so the ice is not invisible to me here, and I see a lighter blue down there, and it's contrasted with it's different looking than the green here. So since the green is a darker color, I can notice the blue. With different people's definitions of watching this video, and also the people's different eyesight, it could change. Well, there could be a difference between the way I see it and the way you see it. I'm in HD and I have 20/20 vision, so I'm lucky when it comes to that. As you see, these can clearly be seen. Amazing. Okay, and the more technical stuff besides that is, well, for servers and things. Okay, they rewrote the network code. Uses now NETTY. That's you can go to the Snapshot part of wiki, and then there'll be a link there, and you just gotta look for 13W41A, and that'll take you to the, you'll be able to say the word, click on it, you're on your way to wherever that is. Most packets won't charge. Handshake and ping procedure is being redone. There is a packet length header. We reworked the server lists, added server icons, list the current players on the server when you hover over the player's number, added support to multi-line MOTD comments or modded, remove support for MOTD comments going off screen, changes the video settings menu, and removed locked chest. And that's all it. And I'm pretty sure locked chests were April Fool's joke that was added to the game, that if you generated a world on April Fool's Day of that year, that they would spawn everywhere, and then it would say that you would need to get a key, like to buy a key, and there were like something crates. It's a reference to Team Fortress 2. So that that's where that came from. And then when you went to the fake store, and then it had like all these different things, like fake briefer identities and stuff, and then when you click stuff, the number of how much it would cost, but even it never really cost anything since it was just a joke. It would keep going up, and if you got it like high enough to super high, it would like just start flashing on the screen. I actually went there and checked that out, and it actually shows a warning for people who have epilepsy, because that could make somebody who has epilepsy have a seizure. So that is, that's the history that, as far as I know, on that. And there have been bugs and a lot of bug fixes though too in the next version, which is primarily bug fixes and like some other thing. Wait, let me see. The thing added besides the bug fixes, actually, I guess this is a bug fix too, but it fixed crashes that were related to the server icon. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and also I guess I'll show you this redstone I set up. Just in case, I had these lamps on, and I had these extended, extend the power, and those are the pistons under there to push me up here, as you can see. Also lit it up down here. If it were to go to night, when if it were to turn night when I was doing the showcase. Alright, thank y'all for watching my Snapshot video. Please, give it a rating if you found it helpful, or just liked it in general. I would really appreciate it, and I'd like to say thanks y'all for watching. See y'all later, and stay spicy. If you want to help out the channel, any combination of liking, commenting, and subscribing would really help out and boost my morale
to do more videos.